Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we are making something from, we're starting from the Engine 2 cookbook, and we're making, can open it up here to page, oh, what page is this? Oh, it's been like rubbed off. It's so worn out, I can't read the page number.
The page has been rubbed off.
264 maybe, badass banana bread. So the foundation of what we're making today is our badass banana bread. Is that 360?
Just a minute, I'm looking.
They're all worn out. I know.
254.
Okay, thank you.
Badass banana bread. Ooh.
So we're starting with that. So that's going to be the foundation of what we make. But we've already done that with you guys. But we really love Isa does it. Isa, I can't say her name right all the time. Isa Chandra Moskowitz. She is an amazing vegan cook. But vegan, we are not vegan. We're whole food, plant-based. Don't use added oil or all that sugar and salt. So, but what she has here that I thought was miraculous, and I've been, her influence is on me in so many ways. And I'm going to do a couple of her things in the next few videos to come. But I love her marbled banana bread. And she marbles it with cocoa, which we're going to do today. But you had a brilliant idea about what else you could marble it with. You had this extra frozen red.
I love to take like a frozen fruit, and I did with raspberries, and I put a little bit of raspberry balsamic vinegar in it, and zap it, and it's a sauce. So when Jane was talking about this, I thought, ooh, that would be so good in the banana bread, because it would be just
Did you bring it here by Tap and Chance today? Did you bring it?
I meant to bring it, but I didn't.
Well, anyway, because I was just thinking, maybe we should do that, and it's banana bread with like marbled raspberry, and then we can put peanut butter on it and have like peanut butter and jelly banana bread. Oh,
That would ruin it. It just ruin it.
that would make it. Wait, wouldn't that make it?
That sounds amazing.
It sounds amazing. Okay, 2 against 1. We're going to try that with your sauce.
I will not eat it then.
Well, you can eat it without the peanut butter.
I have to.
Okay, so let's make the banana bread. The banana bread is, can you squish the way I squish?
Oh, I love having learned this trick from Jane.
So we're going to squish up our bananas and in the skin, just because I'd like to do that. So it gets it nice and mushy.
And these are not mushy to begin with, so this is a really good trick.
These are not.
I mean,
they're not as leopard spotted as we could be. They're pretty.
No, but they're good.
Kind of gone.
Jane, when it begins to make a little seam opening, it's ready then, right?
Yeah. I think we put it in this bowl. Because that bowl's going to be the dry stuff. So you put in about 3 bananas, mushed up, and
Such a good trick.
okay. And so that with the wet stuff, other thing we're going to put in. Can you give us here? Can you mush that one? I'll do it. I don't have.
I love being a musher.
I don't have applesauce, so we're going to do a little extra maple syrup, not a lot, and then some extra water for this banana bread, which calls for maple syrup and applesauce. I'm going to top this off with some water, because we have to get some water. Just going to.
Do you want me to start mushing your bananas?
I'm going to mash up this wet mix while you do the dry mix. So I'm going to add a couple other things into here, like vanilla and some apple cider vinegar. In the meantime, I'd like you to do the dry mix, which is 2 cups of, this is oat flour and a little bit of rice flour.
Oat and rice flour in here?
A little bit.
2 cups?
Sorghum. It's a mix of some gluten-free things. Just playing around with those things. And you're going to put a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon baking soda.
Okay. I got it.
A teaspoon of that. All right, I'm just trying to get all the...
I love the way baking powder has a little lip there for you to make sure it's the right amount on.
So you do 1 teaspoon of that and half of the other one. And how much? I do a tablespoon of vanilla. And I'm going to just go and believe it's a tablespoon, because she has the measuring items. And I'm going to do the same with apple cider vinegar. I'm going to shake it all up so the mother gets
what
mixed
else
in.
here?
So can you please put in a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg? Oh, and you put a tablespoon of flax too. No, this is chocolate. That's your cinnamon and your nutmeg. You put in a tablespoon of flax just for anti-inflammatory. So not anti-inflammatory.
I always put a heaping one in.
Yes, actually, yeah, anti-inflammatory. I feel like it was double negative.
What if I wanted to put in more cinnamon?
No, because it's chocolate. We're gonna go with the teaspoon and then half teaspoon of that. And I'm putting in a tablespoon of this. That was a generous tablespoon. Okay, I'm gonna mash mine up. And the move that's kind of cool is how she marbles it. Most of you guys probably have a sense of how things are marbled, but a
teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon.
Half. And the way she marbles it is so fascinating. And again, you guys probably know this, and I'm probably doing it a little bit wrong, but she takes cocoa powder and adds 3 tablespoons of boiling water. So I'm going to put some water in here, heat it up quickly. All right, and it's going to go.
In the meantime, I am stirring all my dry ingredients together.
Thank you. So what
I have a job I like. It's very clear.
We were just talking about Wade has a 3-year-old, and it sounds like jobs he would have his 3-year-old do. Now you stir the dry ingredients. Anyway,
Jane,
so what we're going to do?
are you comparing me to a 3-year-old?
No.
I kind of feel like a 3-year-old today.
You've done a great job. I did not mean for that to come out like that at all. Okay, but Mommy, what I want you to do, if you could, is we're going to combine can you put 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder in here?
Heaping?
No. Or you can heap. Yeah, heap's fine. Heaping's fine. 3 heaping tablespoons, which is probably equivalent to a 1/4 cup, I suppose, because that's probably equal to 4 tablespoons. But however much cocoa you like. I like to have cocoa look like it's dark, not dark, but like it's visible versus...
All right, I did it.
This banana is not as mushy as I thought it was going to be. Okay. So you ready to stir this together with that?
Maybe I wasn't a good musher.
We're going to combine those two. If you want to mush a little bit more, go ahead. So what's going to happen here, we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of water, make this into... We need to make this batter, so let's mush them as it's in here.
Oh.
Pour that.
I got it.
There we go. There's some chunks. Okay, if you keep mashing and stirring, that's great, because we got to get this batter ready to go with our hot water, which is right here. It was just boiling. Thank gosh.
I bet you, Wade, that David would love doing this.
Oh, he would. Most definitely.
Yeah, it's very satisfying.
1, 2, 3 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of... So we're making sort of a... You can see top shot here. But I'm making this into kind of cocoa. But it's just water and cocoa powder.
But in the meantime, the batter is glorious.
Oh, it's looking beautiful, Mommy. Well done.
Glorious.
Well done. I need the 1 cup. Okay, here's the 1 cup. So now we take 1 cup of batter. Do I have chunks in here? I hope I don't have chunks. A chunk of dry cocoa, unsweetened cocoa. It's not the best.
You need me to stir it. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to take 1 cup of batter. Ah, it's a gooey one. And we're going to turn it into... You and I don't do a lot of marbling, so I think this is probably par for the course when it comes to marbling.
Oh, my goodness.
We're having a good time.
Jane, you put that right into the cocoa.
Because it's going to be our... Okay, here, now can you carefully stir this, Mommy? Stir it. So it all turns chocolate.
Oh.
And I have a pan here. I have a pan. Where did I put... I have a non-stick pan. Here it is. Ready to go. Because we're going to... What we do is we put down 1 layer.
Oh!
Keep it in, keep
It
it in,
dripped.
keep it in, keep it in, keep it in, keep
Jane,
it in.
it dripped.
Keep it in, keep it in.
It's dripping.
We don't have a big container that we're working with. Oh, no,
Careful, David.
that's just cocoa.
Oh.
Okay. Here, I'll try to get some of the cocoa back in. Because let's just...
I put extra cocoa in. It'll be good.
Okay, we just got to go deep and stir the cocoa stuff that's in the bottom. Okay, we're doing lava. We're having lava.
This is not a good stir.
Here, you want to use that one? That's
No,
fine.
I'm saying I think that
You're hopping in there. Yeah, go deep.
no,
go
that's
deep.
good. I'm getting it. It's perfect.
You're doing a perfect job. You're doing a perfect
Perfect.
job. Okay, so I'm going to put a layer of this down. Can you keep stirring it?
Oh.
Thank you. And okay, stir that all so it's nice and cocoa-y.
It's Jane.
Is it?
It couldn't be more.
It couldn't be more
It's
perfect.
stirred to the best possible stir.
Okay, and then in this layer goes. You're right. That was beautifully stirred.
Thank you.
This we want to have all the cocoa be in with powder or with batter because otherwise you're going to get like just a cocoa bleh. Okay, and then now we're gonna put the final layer in. Like, can we switch plate? I feel like a little off balance being over there. Okay, so now this final bit on top gonna be all together, and in it goes. I don't think it's gonna make a whole layer, but we're gonna marble it now. Anne, what do you need?
I'm just going to look for something that will get that last bit out better.
Oh, this is great. You're not
A
liking it?
nice spatula would do a better job.
This is a spatula.
Well,
This is our tovolo. This is our go-to tovolo. Here, you can do what you like with that. So this is how we marble it now. As again, most of you guys probably already know this, but it was new for us. And thank you. Every last bit. There's some more bits in there, eh? So she said to just take a knife, like a butter knife or whatever implement. I was actually using, I've been using this thing. This,
caraway knife.
well, it's sort of it's like a tovolo.
Yeah.
And she said just stir it for like 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, Jane.
And then you don't know what's happened on the inside until you take it out. So what I did last night, knowing we were going to do this today, I made some. So this can go in the oven, but look what I made last night. Do you see how it's more dark marbled on top than this one? Like, I wonder how this is going to turn out on top. But this, here we go. Let's see what's happened on the inside. Okay, let's get a big, nice knife. And, okay, Wade, can you see?
Yeah.
Our marbled.
Ooh.
Nice. She marbled nicely. Yeah, we're all marbled. If we took a cross section of our arm, it actually sounds gross, but like, it is very cool. Now this is cold, and do we want anything on it? Or do you want to just taste it as is?
I want it toasted.
Okay, then go ahead and toast some. Press the button. Wade, you want to try some?
Yeah, I'll have it just as is.
Just as is, yeah. And you want to try it as it, like,
Okay.
before it's toasted?
I'll
Here,
have it as
you-
is. And
We'll toast it also.
I'm toasting marbled banana bread as is.
Chocolate marbled banana bread. And I think it's a wonderful, again, thank you, Isa, from Isa Does It. Isa
It's delicious.
No, it smells fantastic. Well, I'm going to wait for a crispy one myself because I had a loaf yesterday. All right. So chocolate
It's really-
marbled banana
It's
bread.
even good cold, Jane.
That's
but
shocking
it-
to hear from you. You like everything
But
warm and crispy.
it would be out of this world toasted.
Yeah. Okay. So let us know how you marble your banana bread. Maybe we're doing it in a different technique that varies from your technique. Or maybe you tried it with the frozen raspberry sauce and recommended. Not frozen raspberry. What?
Frozen raspberries zapped up so that they're a sauce.
Not zapped, but
Boiled?
Cuisinarted. See, he zapped means boiled.
Not boiled. Just
Blended. That's the verb we're looking for. Or blend your raspberries and try to stir it. Yeah, zapping could mean microwaving and boiling. I'm glad you clarified that. All right. Hey, thanks so much. Let us know how you have your banana bread. Bye. Okay, later in the day, we're in the middle of another video, but our banana bread is done.
Oh, I love the way it came out.
Look at that.
Marbled.
Yeah, this was lighter on top, and look at that great cliff. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I can't wait to eat a warm banana bread with marble.
With marbles. No, marbled. Okay, so this looks like it's ready to go, and we'll chop it up. I can let it cool for a little bit, but we'll definitely cut into it. Okay, this banana bread, chocolate marbled banana bread has cooled, and we're going to slice it open. We're in the middle of doing other recipes right now, but we just were so excited to see how this one turned out.
It is so.
I love this big cliff. It's like
a little ravine.
Yeah. Okay, how did you marble? Oh, it had like a linear marbling. I could have gone like a little more stirring it.
I kind of like linear.
Well, I like it all.
You never know.
You never know. Oh, look at that. That's our marbling this time. Okay.
Ooh, my mouth is watering.
Let's toast it and we'll have it. All right, thank you.